5:30. We've got rentals to pick up. We got to pick up a concrete saw from Home Depot. Yeah. The mini excavator and the concrete saw. We're going to try and get all the old foundation cut up and buried today. It's going to be an absolute chore, but we'll see how it works out.
Home Depot before everybody else, except for a few other do-getters. Get her done. What'd you say?
This is where doers get things done.
Well,
strap it down. I just didn't feel like getting all my straps out of the back. I rented a 14-inch gas concrete saw. Well, they didn't have the one that I needed in stock, even though I reserved it. So they gave me a different one, which is fine. It's gonna be fine. This was advertised to me as $75 a day rental. Okay, that's pretty good. So I'm going through signing the stuff, and he goes, "Oh, are you gonna need to rent the saw blade, or do you have your own?" Well, you'd think if I had a saw blade, I'd have the saw, you chucklehead. It's like getting a rental car and then being like, "Oh, do you need the wheels?" Duh! It's part of the tool. Yes, I need the blade. Oh, well, that's an extra $55 rental. That doubled the price of the rental. Oh, and by the way, you can't rent this unless you get the protection, which is another $30-something. So I just spent $165 on a tool rental that was advertised to me as $75. And I'm in shock. I mean, absurd. It's absolutely absurd. Do you need the blade? Duh. Okay, you need the steering wheel? Nah, just the rental.
what's happening, Hope? That's a pretty smile you got.
Armadillo.
Armadillo.
Tell me you're from Texas without telling me you're from Texas.
I hate that trend where people do that. Check out this pasture.
Oh. Good morning.
Off-roading in my truck.
Cut some concrete.
Driving through the hayfield. It's not supposed to do that.
Dad.
Dad.
Dada. Is that Daddy? Okay.
Got it loaded up. That's a camera?
Yeah. They get smaller and smaller. We're blooming.
Boo, 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 boo. Boo, boo, boo. Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like before, since Brooklyn didn't really know. Probably. So this is all concrete flooring here already. And we're gonna cut all this siding off on both sides. So right now Grandpa's using the front end loader to clear all that stuff up. And I'm gonna take this guy and just run it all along right here, and we're gonna push that over, and we're gonna bury those in a hole somewhere over there with the mini excavator. So it's gonna be a chore today, but it'll be a lot of fun, and we're gonna get some stuff done.
These us for us?
No.
Look at there. Concrete.
I That's some work.
Look how clean it is. Yeah.
Throw the bucket now. I'll dump it on that pile over there. That saw is pretty miserable work. Anyway, we're checking out the Mini X right now.
Make some root beer. Three big rats that just ran right through here. Where'd they go? It's a multi-purpose vehicle. I cleaned up all this so that we can dig a hole and Jake in is fighting the concrete. Yuck. Okay, we took a field trip to go get the trailer so that we can clean out the rooms. Another tractor here. Steven coming in with the grapple. And Jacob and I are clearing out one of these rooms. I took a couple things from the doorway, but it hasn't made much of a dent.
That's the
honestly.
before.
This is the before.
Here, check out the before of the other room.
This is the other room that is just so, I don't even know. So we are going to clean those out while they are clearing out the fence line. Woo! We're making serious progress. Okay, go!